Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make quick chili oil. We'll begin by gathering all the necessary components, ensuring everything is ready for a smooth process. Then, I'll guide you through the simple preparation steps, making sure your workspace is set up for success. Finally, we'll dive into the exciting infusion process, creating a flavorful condiment in just a few easy steps. For our quick chili oil, you'll need about 1 cup of quality dried red chili flakes, which provide both heat and color. Next, prepare your aromatics by finely chopping 3 cloves of garlic and a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger. Finally, measure out 1.5 cups of a neutral oil, such as canola or grapeseed, which will be the base for our infusion. Now for the exciting part, the infusion. Heat your neutral oil in a saucepan until it reaches about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once hot, carefully pour this shimmering oil over your prepared chili flakes and aromatics in a heat-proof bowl. Listen for that satisfying sizzle. Stir gently, then let the mixture cool completely, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld beautifully. After your chili oil has fully cooled, it's time to store it. Carefully transfer the vibrant oil into a clean, airtight glass jar. For optimal freshness and flavor, keep your chili oil in a cool, dark pantry, where it will last for up to 1 month. This versatile condiment is perfect for drizzling over noodles, dumplings, eggs, or even roasted vegetables, adding a delightful kick to any dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.